So my presentation was on a toolkit that we developed at the EMCDDA, so the European Monitoring Agency for Drug and Drug Addiction, which aims to monitor the elimination of hepatitis, mainly focus on hepatitis C, following the sustainable goals. So the toolkit that I have been presenting has three major aspects. So we monitor the policies at European level, hepatitis C and B policies. We have also putting together all the already existing core indicators for people who inject drugs and monitoring the phenomena related to the Hep C elimination goal. And then finally we have also provided some tools for the identification of resources and responses and also the diagnosis of barriers that exist when trying to improve testing and care for Hep C in drug services. It's not a study, it's more a monitoring effort, and the main conclusion is that we are able to provide countries or member states who want to evaluate and to assess their policies regarding matching this goal of eliminating hepatitis C in 2030 with tools, and this toolkit provides good tools. As I said, first of all, there is, for the first phase, for the diagnosis of the problem, there's a diagnostic process proposed with a checklist and the proposal for discussion roundtables for the identification diagnosis of barriers regarding the implementation of Hep C testing and care. And then in a second step, you have also the provision of models of care that are compiled and with access to our best practice portals, also the related evidence to support this models of care or intervention to increment and to improve Hep C testing and care. And finally, we have resources on the information that can be provided to staff and to clients in drug services related to Hep C testing and care, again, where you can find many materials in many different languages and also a knowledge questionnaire that will help to raise a bit of awareness about the state of knowledge in each person, and also links to other resources that might be interesting. Well, with my background, I will focus specifically on one of the most important key populations in Hep C elimination, which is people who inject drugs, and which is what our agency is mainly focusing in this strategy, in this plan. And I think the importance is in raising awareness and also kind of destigmatizing and trying to identify all the barriers and the reluctance that may exist to really implement effective interventions and reach this sustainable goal for 2030.